We are all artists, unique, extraordinary Imagineers, wanting to create. Welcome to part 2, the painting lesson with Kathleen. We're going to start adding color.
Now I'm going to teach you about color. Okay. Let's put some lighter colors. If you put a light color next to a dark color.
In this section of the lesson, I shared with Kathleen how to add additional colors to create balance and contrast.
Okay. Contrast. Contrast is dark all the way down to light. Okay? If you put some place where the white is right next to the black, okay, your eye is going to go right there because it's the greatest contrast. So you can control your eye. Okay? So with this one, your eye's going to go right here. Okay? So just for fun, since you wanted this guy to be your center of interest point, we're going to make another arrow. We're just going to make this one come off here and make the Y down here. Okay? Oh, let me give you a tip. Okay? You know, you can cover anything up. This is another great tip. This one's worth $1 million. Paper towels are great. Napkins are better. Okay. You know why? No. Okay. You're in the middle of painting. And now all of a sudden you've got the paper towel, I just made a mess, okay?
You don't want to grab the whole thing.
You gotta stop, you gotta tear it out, you're just like, oh my God. So, the greatest tip is
napkins.
Buy cheap napkins, okay? Okay. Cheap napkins. Buy yourself some inexpensive brushes. I like sable, or pretend sable, simulated sable. I like flats. And I also have filberts, which are the round top, and then I also have pointed. But I work a lot. When you're an abstract artist, you want to get paint on there a lot, okay? So you're going to always wet your brush, and you always got to remember to try to keep your paint out of the ferrule. This is called a ferrule, where it's squeezed here. Yep. Because if it dries down in here, that'll make these hairs come loose. Oh, okay. Okay. So when you're dipping paint, if you can dip it so that it doesn't come way down here, if it does, fine. I mean, I have brushes over there that I've used for 30 years and they're whatever. Okay. So you're going to come to this one, and this is going to be your center of interest, and you're just going to go around the edge. Okay. Fill that in a little bit more. A little bit more water on it. Bring your little art tray with you. Good. Okay. Now, we've got our Y. Where are we going to take the bottom of the Y? You want to take it up here? You want to take it down here? Down here. Okay. Good. And you might need more paint. Now, put the brush down in your water. Okay. I was going to show you, but I didn't. Jim has them over there. These are to wash your dishes, you know those scrubbies? The little plastic things. Get Talenti ice cream, eat the Talenti, save the container, use the little thing.
That's like good homework for me.
Okay, so you scrub check your paint. I've got in this one a small scrubby, okay? And this one, don't go buy everything right away, because, okay, I've got a strainer. Okay, so the strainer allows you to take your brush across it. I like to normally I have a container over here, but I was trying to clean up a little bit because you were telling me.
Do that for me. I did.
Well, I just didn't. I'm a pretty messy painter. so I have a place to grab it.
Okay.
Okay? So now, I want you to go over there, and I want you to look back at this painting. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have your phone with you?
I do.
Get your phone, I want you to take some pictures. So as you begin painting, if you create a record of what you've done, it'll help you to remember.
Yeah.
Okay? Cool. Okay. Where does your eye go? It comes to here, here, and here. So
Yeah.
this is almost the center of interest, even though we've got it here. We can change the whole painting and say we're going to make the center of interest here. We can even put it in the middle. If you put a composition in the middle, you got to remember your eye's going to come to the middle. So this is to help you think, okay, where do I want to go from here? Do I want to keep my eye to here, or do I want to go to my original center of interest? You want to go to the center of interest. Okay. Since I said the highest contrast is white against black. Okay? So your little center of interest is right here. So just for fun, we go here, and I'm going to just keep this area white. Okay? Because I'm going to come over this. We're going to just stay out of this area. Okay? And I'm just going to squirt a little bit of white. Okay. Now see what I just did? What happened here? I'm picking up the black, it's going from dark to light, okay? You can use your hands, you can use a brush. I'm a painter that likes, you can look at my hands, I've got paint. So you can decide what kind of painter you want to be. If you're using a lot of different solvents like oil and things like that, get yourself some glue. Okay. So we're just going to leave that. We're going to stay out of that area. Now we're going to go to yellow. So if we know that your eye goes to the dark and the light, let's for fun put some white over right here. And get the brush, the big brush that I told you about. Come over and just rub that in. Great.
Just anywhere.
Make sure you cover the little area. Okay. Now, what we're going to do, I'm going to show you what happens when you mix black and yellow together. You're going to go, wow, that's cool. When you mix a little bit of black and yellow together, if you looked at it really closely, this would be green. Can you see that it's green?
Yep.
It's green. It's almost like if we wanted to be a lighter green, we could add more yellow. Okay?
Goldish.
Yeah. So black and yellow will turn to green. But we want to learn how your colors, notice I'm just rinsing. You can make it move. We can take little cards. Anytime you get something in the mail that they're selling you something and it's not really like when I go, I just bought this cool shirt. Look at that neat card. Feel that?
Yeah.
Anytime you can use cards for creating cool? Cool. Now, we're going to switch to your colors because we want to shake them up. Okay. We're going to try to stay out of this area.
Okay.
We're going to try to stay out of this area. I'm going to put a little bit more yellow on top of here just so it covers that area. Okay. And now we're going to paint. You're now officially, I'll take it, stand right here. Okay. Right here. I dub you an official artist. Oh, yay! You are officially an artist from this day on. You are a painter. Okay. Do not let people tell you you're not.
Oh, okay.
You're painting for you.
Yep.
You're painting to let your emotions out. You're painting something for your home, for your husband, for your family. You're painting to have fun. People are critics first. And people by nature look for something in a painting. Walk way over there. Look back at the painting. When you look at a painting that's an abstract, people tend to look for something real.
Yeah.
They go, oh, is that an eye? Is that a, they just start to look for something real and they make it up in their mind.
Yeah.
Okay? And they think, oh, are you a failed cat drawing? Was this supposed to be a cat?
Yeah.
So, what is abstract art? Abstract is abstracting reality. Normally, if you want to draw a cup, there's your cup shape, and that would be a realistic cup. To make it abstract, all you have to do is take the shape start with your cup and then extend it, abstract it.
Yeah.
Somehow move it. You see what happens? So if you have something in mind in the beginning to paint, that's great. But you don't have to have something in mind. You can let it build on its own. It's okay. Because what we're trying to do is get some energy on the canvas and to see what happens. So we're going to take, where's that first color we've got here? Boy, these are all tight. I like to keep cloths, like a washcloth or something, and even though napkins, because I like to make sure that I've just gotten the excess out, okay?
Right.
Just to have it. So here's your cloth. That pretty ring. Oh my God.
Thanks. Should I take that off, actually?
To end our session for the day, Kathleen simply placed colors in random areas across the canvas, building up layers so that we would be prepared for her next session when she arrived. You'll notice in the background some of the lines coming through, some of the words coming through. We didn't even concern ourselves with this. We just let the paint flow, experimented with mixing colors together and creating different spaces and different sizes. That's when Kathleen really got aggressive and started pouring paints and adding additional colors, and she moved the canvas from the wall to the table. It certainly was an exciting day. So remember, at this stage of the game, we simply added color shapes, pouring and brushing at different shapes and sizes. Remember differences. This is the end of Kathleen's part 2 of Kathleen Learning to Paint. I encourage you, do not miss any of the steps in Kathleen's lesson. She created a wonderful painting that included building layers and learning to blend colors and understanding values and darks and lights. And she explored tints and shades and transitions. And it's a great painting, and I'm so proud of her. Make sure you take the time to watch for that lesson. And be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Watch for part 3 of Kathleen's painting lesson. I guarantee you'll have a good time. Well, this ends part 2, but don't go away. I've got some really great news for you. I've been giving in-person lessons in my studio in Charlotte, North Carolina, and I invite you to come and take a lesson. You'll have a great opportunity to create paintings, and I'll share with you firsthand how to mix colors, how to do wonderful things that will let you walk away with a wonderful painting. Please come to Charlotte, North Carolina and take a lesson. In your lesson, I will show you how to complete a painting. I guarantee you'll walk away with something you'll be proud of and ready to hang. Just send a quick email to sherry@CherylJohnsonArtist.com and ask about getting a lesson. This is Cheryl Johnson. Pursue your passions and have more joy every day.